friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your health and life insurance consultant Kajal. In today's video, I will talk about the best senior citizen health insurance plans of India in the year 2021. But before starting the video, I would like to request all my viewers that please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest update regarding my videos. Now let's start the video. Friends, in today's video, I will give you information about some of the best senior citizens health insurance plans of popular insurance companies. Along with the details of the plan, I will also give the answers of the most confusing questions of the customer, and the questions include: why should you buy a senior citizen health insurance plan for your parents? Another is, what unique features you get in senior citizen health insurance plans? And the third one is, how to choose health insurance plan for senior citizens. As we all know, for senior citizens, age is not just a number. It is a factor that affects their golden period and how they have spent their savings enjoying it. And as people go older in age, their health becomes their first companion that start deserting them, majorly because of a weak immune system. As senior citizens have limited income, it may be very difficult for them to manage funds for medicines, hospitalization, and treatment cost in case of an emergency arises. This is when a reliable senior citizens health insurance plans come to the rescue. When buying senior citizen health insurance plans, people think that these plan comes with capping, high health insurance premium, and lack coverage benefits. But friends, this is a complete myth. There are several senior citizen health insurance plans in the market that offer comprehensive health coverage and can be purchased at affordable premiums. Now in this video, I will talk about the best senior citizen health insurance plans in India which you can opt in 2021. The first plan is Silver Health Plan by Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company. In this plan, the people from age 46 to 70 years can be covered. This plan provides you a lifelong renewability facility. If talking about the sum insured option, then the sum insured option is available from rupees 50,000 and goes up to 5 lakhs. Now let's know about the benefits of this plan. In this plan, the expenses related to your hospitalization, pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization expenses, ambulance expenses, daycare treatment expenses, inpatient hospitalization expenses are covered, and 2-year waiting period you get for the treatment of your pre-existing disease. In short, this plan is a value for money plan. Second plan is Red Carpet Plan by Star Health and Allied Insurance Company. Red Carpet policy offers extended coverage to senior citizens and can be purchased on an individual as well as on the floater basis. This policy can be purchased by people aged between 60 years to 75 years for a term of 1, 2 and 3 years on the basis of their budget and other requirements. Coverage benefits offered under the policy include daycare treatments, inpatient hospitalization expenses, free health checkup, pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization expenses, etc. You also get the income tax benefits in this plan under section 80D. Third plan is Senior Citizen Health Insurance Plan by Care Health Insurance Company. This plan is specially designed for life's golden years. If we talk about the age, then the minimum entry age is 61 years and there is no maximum entry age limit in this plan. The policy can be purchased for 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. You can select the term as per your requirements. You can also enjoy several coverage benefits at affordable premium in this plan. This plan include inpatient hospitalization, pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization expenses. organ donor expenses, alternative treatments, second e-opinion, and the expenses of your domiciliary hospitalization are also covered under this plan. Now comes the another plan, which is Health Suraksha Plan by Future General Insurance Company, which is another affordable policy for senior citizens and parents. People aged up to 70 years can purchase this policy for some insured options of rupees 50,000 to rupees 10 lakhs. The policy comes in 4 different variants that are Gold, Premium, Topaz and Ruby that offer different coverage benefits. This plan is available on an individual and on floater basis too. This plan can cover the proposer legally, wedded spouse and up to 3 dependent children. And the common benefits offered under the policy are coverage for daycare treatments, hospital cash benefits under Platinum and Ruby variants. And this plan also covers the cost of your inpatient hospitalization expenses, pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization expenses. Now the last but not the least senior citizen plan is IFCO Tokyo Individual Medishield Plan. Friends, this individual Medishield policy covers people aged up to 60 years against major healthcare expenses. If you are covered under the policy, then you can opt for some insured options between rupees 50,000 to rupees 5 lakhs. This plan provides coverage for parents and for senior citizens for Ayush treatment expenses, emergency, medical assistance services, health checkup, ambulance expenses, and also come with an add-on cover benefit of critical illness cover, which you can purchase by paying an extra premium in this plan. Now I will answer the question why you should buy a senior citizen health insurance plan for your parents. Everyone should know that senior citizen health insurance plan help the older generation to cope up with the critical health issues which cost too high. Not only such plans offer the senior citizen financial health but good health as well. Now let's know some major benefits that make senior citizen health insurance plan a must buy. First of all, senior citizen health insurance plan offer the benefit of free health checkups which policy buyers can avail annually without paying any extra premium. It monitors the insured person's health and promotes a healthy lifestyle. Secondly, pre and post hospitalization expenses are covered to protect the insured in a long period of illness. Third is that most senior health insurance plans cover pre-existing disease. These plans also cover ambulance expenses and reduce the impact of miscellaneous healthcare cost. And lastly, considering soaring healthcare costs in India, senior citizens are offered with a high coverage sum insured range under the special senior citizen plans. Now talking about the unique features of senior citizen health insurance plan. Friends, senior citizen health insurance plans are designed to offer financial help during medical treatment to people aged above 60 years when they require it the most. And when it comes to the unique features, these plans can be purchased on an individual or family floater basis. Pre-medical screening is not required in most senior citizen health insurance plans. These plans offer a free look period to the people during which they can thoroughly read and understand the policy terms and conditions. Senior citizen can avail cashless and quality treatment in network hospital the company has tie-up with. Expenses of room rent, doctor's fees, medical bills are included in this. Senior citizens can enjoy the tax benefits on the premium paid for the health insurance plans under section 80D of the income tax. Now the very vital question comes that confuses most of the people, which is how to choose health insurance for senior citizens, what benefits I should look while purchasing health insurance for my parents. Friends, before putting any senior citizen insurance product in your cart, make sure you check on a few factors that help you make the right buying decisions. Those factors include cost. You must look for a plan which has been designed for people with a fixed limited income. Another is convenience. Look for health insurance plan which incorporate maximum features so senior citizen can take treatment easily. Now comes the coverage. Choose a plan that covers all the illnesses that comes with old age. Now I will talk about things to consider while buying senior citizen health insurance. Take a quick look on the key aspects to consider before buying a policy. So if you are ready to buy a senior citizen health insurance plan, make sure you check your policy for age factor. An ideal health insurance policy designed for senior citizens should have a maximum entry age of 80 years. If the company allows the policy buyer the longest possible coverage, it is a must buy. Remember, along with the entry age, you should also check the policy renewal age. While some policies also renew up to 80 years, others allowing lifelong renewal, go for a policy that meets your age requirements perfectly. Another factor is sum insured. Sum insured of the policy is an important aspect to be checked before buying a health policy for elder. With the passing age, senior citizen needs more coverage. So go ahead with the policy that provides you as much as sum insured amount as you think would be sufficient for coverage without making any compromises on treatment or its quality. Coverage is also a very important factor you should look for. The coverage benefit of the policy will determine how useful it is for the senior citizens. You should look for a plan that provides cover for expenses on domiciliary hospitalization, emergency ambulance cover, critical illness, as well as medical conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and many more. Another factor is that the plan should have less waiting period to cover the pre-existing medical conditions because pre-existing medical conditions are quite common with senior citizens. Do not forget to look for plans that have a comparatively less waiting period so that if required, the elderly can go treatment without worrying about the waiting period of the plan. Now check whether company has a broad hospital network or not. Friends, it is important to buy a policy for senior citizens from a health insurance company that provides a broad list of cashless network hospitals so that the treatment can be availed easily without worrying about last minute arrangements and hospital formalities. Another factor is co-payment clause. Many health insurance policies for senior citizens comes with a co-payment clause in which the insured has to share a part of the medical expenses. Remember to check the policy for co-payment because it would affect the total amount to be paid by the insured members other than the premium. Now comes the premium. Friends, the premium for senior citizen policies are quite higher than the regular policies. The companies usually charge more in the case of senior citizen policies as they have more chances of getting illnesses and disease. Make sure you are aware of the premium amount to be paid beforehand. Now check there should be a cashless claim procedure in the company in order to avail the benefits associated with the cashless claim. A policy holder is required to get admitted at one of the network hospitals listed with the insurance company. For that, you have to follow the steps. Step number 1. you have informed your respective insurance company about your hospitalization as early as possible. Step number 2. Then at the hospital counter, submit authorization form along with all the necessary documents including health card copy, identity proofs, etc. Afterwards, these documents will be sent to the respective insurance provider by the hospital for the purpose of approval. Step number 4. Once the insurance company gives approval, you can avail the treatment without any worry about the expenses, as the insurance company will look after it after your treatment is done. Now in case if you get admitted in a non-network hospital or wish to get treated in some another hospital, then you need to file for reimbursement. For the process of filing, step 1, you have to inform the insurance provider regarding your hospitalization, avail the treatment and pay the bills, then register for claim reimbursement. Now step number 2, submit all the necessary documents along with doctor prescription, hospital reports, chemist bills, pathological reports, etc. to the insurance provider. Now step number 3, after verifying all the information, the insurance company will process the claim. Step number 4, in case the claim gets approved, then the claim amount will be transferred to in your registered bank account. Now the documents required at the time of registering for the claim are photocopy of the policy documents, medical records and physician statement, a duly filled claim form and the other documents which are requested by the insurance company. So friends, this was a little information about best senior citizen health insurance plan. If you want to know more about details of this plan, you can contact us with the help of a number shown on the screen. You can connect with me through that. Friends, that's all in today's video. Hope you found the information given in video really beneficial for you. We will continue to bring you important information related to life and health insurance for you. We want to thank you, all of you, wholeheartedly because of the continuous contribution of you people. Today our channel has completed the family of more than 13,000 subscribers and 6 lakh viewers. All the people who are connected with us, stay with us in this journey, and if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and be a part of our family. Thank you for watching our video.